Genetics by Caleb Moore, Period 5. Vocabulary. Number 1. Punnett square is a diagram to help scientists determine what genes a baby will have depending on the genes of the parents or grandparents. 2. Genotype, a genetic makeup of a cell, an organism, or an individual. 3. A phenotype is an organism that depends on which genes are dominant and which are recessive. Number 4. Allele, variety of forms for a gene. Number 5. Homozygous dominant, which is carrying 2 copies of allele forms of genes. Number 6. Homozygous recessive, identical alleles on both chromosomes. Number 7. Heterozygous, the genetic condition one inherits from a parent. Number 8 is a carrier. If someone's parent had a gene that you did not inherit, but your kid does, that means you carry a gene down to your kid. And 9. A pedigree chart. Looks like a family tree, but it shows what kind of gene that the kid will inherit from the parents or grandparents, and what genes someone's spouse has, and what genes their kids will have. Punnett square examples. 1. Flower color. Purple is dominant, which is capital P, and white is recessive, which is lowercase p. A dominant father and a dominant mother is shown on the pedigree chart. See the dominant father and the dominant mother. And here are the results that the kid may have, the possibilities. The color of the parents are purple, which is dominant, and the color of the children will be still purple, and it will be dominant and recessive. 2. The seed color. Yellow is dominant, which is capital Y, and green is recessive, which is lowercase y. We have a recessive father and a recessive mother. And here are the possibilities of the children's genes. The color of the parents are yellow, which is capital Y, and the color of the children is yellow, but it's capital Y, lowercase y. Pedigree chart example. Brown eyes are dominant and blue eyes are recessive. The squares represent males and the circles represent females. A father had blue eyes and the mother had brown eyes. They had a kid with brown eyes, and she married a man also with brown eyes. His parents are also brown-eyed, but they have a son that is blue-eyed.